Welcome to my YouTube channel Lost in Notice. I hope everyone is doing great. I just want to let you know that this video was totally shot before the pandemic, and for the record, this was my last flight taken from Delhi to Guwahati after attending the Sunburn Festival. Oh yeah, and I'm loving this microphone of mine, new microphone of mine from BOYA. Do check out the unboxing video of this microphone on my second channel, and the links will be available in the description below. Let's just start the video, shall we?
Driving at night is about communicating with the lights. It feels great, trying to catch an early flight, and suddenly all the lights on the road starts communicating, So right now we are heading to the Indira Gandhi International Airport, and I'm sure most of you have been to this airport, but I like to show things from my perspective. So let's check it out. This airport serves as a major international aviation hub of the Indian capital city of New Delhi as well as India. The airport, spread over an area of 5,106 acres, is situated in Palam, 15 km from southwest of the New Delhi railway station and 16 km from New Delhi city center. Named after the former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, it is the busiest airport in India in terms of passenger traffic since 2009. It is also the busiest airport in the country in terms of cargo traffic. As you can see, there is a beautiful liquor store named The Cellar and is also duty free. So let me tell you something more about this. While liquor and chocolates are the most popular items people buy in duty free shops, it is recommended to buy other items like clothes and perfumes. The duty free shops in Delhi nowadays have many varieties to showcase, such as liquor, chocolates, designer clothes, and other accessories. The Delhi airport is still under construction, and under construction expansion program will increase the airport's capacity to handle 100 million passengers by 2030. Well, Ramdev Baba is everywhere, everywhere. The Delhi International Airport serves as a major hub or a focus destination for several Indian carriers including AirAsia, Air India, Air India Regional, Indigo, SpiceJet, Go Air and Vistara. Approximately 80 airlines serve this airport, and at present there are 3 active scheduled passenger terminals, a dedicated Hajj terminal and a cargo terminal. case. So the plane is just about to take off now. And the clouds are not beautiful as I thought.